The amazing benefits of rice water for hair and skin. Hello, welcome to JTC Health. Please like and subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon. Today I will be showing you the amazing benefits of rice water for hair and skin. Rice is the seed of the grass species Oryza sativa, Asian rice, or less commonly Oryza glaberrima, African rice. The name wild rice is usually used for species of the genera Zizania and Porteresia, both wild and domesticated, although the term may also be used for primitive or uncultivated varieties of Oryza. As a cereal grain, domesticated rice is the most widely consumed staple food for over half of the world's human population, especially in Asia and Africa. Rice is cooked by boiling, or it can be ground into a flour. It is eaten alone and in a great variety of soups, side dishes, and main dishes in Asian, Middle Eastern, and many other cuisines. While the world gushes over creams and potions sold in a bottle, Asia's easiest and the worst kept secret is literally all you need for glowing skin and lustrous hair. Rice water, which is nothing but water in which rice has been left to soak/boil for a while, contains benefits galore, and adding it to your personal care regime will only enhance your skin and hair health in the most natural and chemical-free way. How do you make and store rice water at home? There are two very simple ways to make rice water at home. 1. In a large vessel, soak a cup of uncooked rice in double the amount of water, and leave for about half an hour. Strain the water into a bottle. This is rice water. 2. In a cooker, boil rice in twice the amount of cooking water that you normally use for cooking. When it is half cooked, strain out the water into a bottle, and use it as rice water. Storage. Rice water should be stored in a jar, vessel or bottle with a lid at room temperature in a dry place. It can be consumed immediately, or over 4 to 5 days. The older the solution, the more concentrated, so you may need to dilute it with water with each passing day. Rice water should be thrown away after 5 days, and a fresh batch whipped up. Tip: it is preferable to use organic rice, clean filtered water, and rinse the rice thoroughly before use to get rid of any topical pollutants and pesticides. White rice is preferred over brown or red rice, since the water from the former has more extensive benefits. The Chinese village of Huangluo, home to native Red Yao women, is in the Guinness Book of Records as the world's longest hair village. The women here boast long, lustrous and healthy hair that is consistently maintained. The villagers believe that it is a symbol of luck, longevity and prosperity. What it contains, and how often can you use it? Rice water has a multitude of components with nutritional value for the skin and hair. Around 16% of these are proteins, the building blocks essential to cell health. Triglycerides and lipids each make up 10% of the rice water composition, while starch, an extract still used in Japanese cosmetics, is present at 9%. Carbohydrates, inositol, phytic acid and inorganic substances are other components in rice water. This is what you get when you boil an average handful of white rice in 2 cups of hot water and strain out the residue liquid. Rice water can be used twice a day every day as a skin toner, once a day as a skin mask or as a facial rinse. It can also be used as a shampoo as often as you shampoo your hair, or as a final rinse. Skin benefits. Over the years, various studies have borne testimony to the fact that rice water, part of Asia's culinary legacy, is also part of its beauty legacy. And for good reason. Its application on the skin can benefit in a lot of ways. The potent antioxidants it has is the best bet from protection against premature aging. It does so by neutralization of free radicals and also goes by the properties of elastase, the enzyme that damages elastin and makes it bouncy. It also soothes and improves impaired skin barriers and keeps it hydrated. There are several benefits to using rice water for the skin, which includes 1. It soothes skin conditions in sensitive skins, including acne and pimples. In 2002, a study from the Department of Toxicology at the Vrije Universiteit Brussels in Belgium determined that patients with skin conditions like inflammation, rashes and dermatitis benefited greatly from taking a bath in rice water twice a day. So people with sensitive skins, rejoice. It is the most natural astringent you can ever imagine, thanks to its high starch content, and is good for people suffering from chronic acne and pimples as well. 2. It keeps your skin safe from the sun. Rice water is a natural sunscreen, protecting from the harmful effects of UV rays. In addition, rice water can be used to treat sunburns. Just apply it on sun-damaged skin, and it will help your skin recover faster. It also helps tighten open pores. 3. It is an anti-aging solution. Skin texture is greatly improved, and elasticity is restored by using rice water, especially in the case of dry and dehydrated skin. Rice water is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, flavonoids and phenolic compounds. In addition, it contains ferulic acid and allantoin, all of which are necessary for skin function. 4. It improves the complexion. One of the key functions of rice water is brighter skin and an even skin tone. If you dip a cotton ball in fermented rice water and massage it into your face, it really works wonders. You'll find sunspots, pigmentation, hyperpigmentation and freckles lightening. 5. It protects against skin cancer. Not only does it promote cell growth and regeneration, keeping your skin supple and smooth, it also has antioxidants, which keep various skin cancers at bay and also act as an anti-aging agent. 6. It benefits the skin on your body, not just your face. You can use it as a bath soak. Just add 2 cups of rice water into regular water that's in your bathtub, and finish up with a few drops of lavender essential oil. Soak for about half an hour to reap the skin benefits of rice water all over the body, while the lavender lulls you into a comfortable sleep-like state. Hair benefits as follows. 1. Say goodbye to frizzy hair. In 2010, a study was published in the International Journal of Cosmetic Science, where researchers clearly stated that using rice water as a hair treatment offered several benefits including improved elasticity, texture and lesser friction and frizz. This is largely due to the presence of inositol, a carbohydrate. 2. It is a chemical-free hair cleanser. Using it as a shampoo to wash out your hair may not be as convenient as a store-bought shampoo, but it comes without chemicals and preservatives, and you don't even need to follow it up with a conditioner. 3. It balances your scalp's pH levels. Rice water keeps your hair's natural oils intact and its pH levels are similar to that of the scalp. For added benefits, a few drops of your preferred essential oils can be added to rice water, and this mix can replace your regular shampoo. Patera, the magic ingredient, is fermented rice water. Other benefits also includes 1. It is good for stomach-related ailments. Including rice water in your diet is beneficial in more ways than one. It can cure a number of ills such as stomach infections, gastric problems and nausea. It improves gut health drastically, which in turn reflects on the outside, giving you smooth and radiant skin. 2. Rice water is good for babies. Rice water is also used extensively across Asian cultures for babies who are weaning off nursing, to settle their stomachs. 3. It keeps the body healthy. Drinking up rice water is a natural cure for eczema, fever and other bacterial infections. It is full of energy, with a low-cal but high-carb way of providing your body with the boost it needs to get through the day effectively. 4. It is part of a traditional diet. In South India, kanji, a fermented gruel made from rice water is part of the daily staple diet, especially among farmers and agriculturists. In the hot tropical summers, it prevents dehydration, replenishing lost nutrients and reducing chances of ailments. To prepare kanji, cook a cup of rice in 4 cups water. Once the rice is semi-cooked, strain out the water, add some salt if required, and drink up. Your body will thank you for it, and so will your skin. Kanji can also be made from brown and red rice variants, depending on your taste and preferences. Just remember to keep it organic as much as possible. Thanks for stopping by. Please subscribe, comment and share, and also give us a thumbs up.